Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of hydroponics to explore what many consider the best rock wool for hydroponic growing, the VIVOSUN 1.6-inch Rockwool cubes. If you're a gardening enthusiast looking to propagate plants or start seeds efficiently, this product could be your new best friend. The VIVOSUN Rockwool cubes are designed specifically for hydroponic gardening, offering an ideal environment for plant propagation, cloning, and seed starting. Each pack contains 8 sheets, totaling 224 individual plugs. These cubes measure 1.6 inches in size and are made from a blend of natural ingredients, including 60% basalt, 20% coke, and 20% limestone. The material undergoes a unique process where it is melted at high temperatures and spun into fine fibers, ensuring durability and performance. One of the standout features of these Rockwool cubes is their impressive permeability. With a porosity rating of 95%, these cubes provide excellent airflow to the roots, facilitating rapid growth. The structure allows roots to access ample oxygen, promoting the development of strong and healthy root systems. This is crucial for any gardener aiming for successful propagation and plant health. In addition to being breathable, VIVOSUN's Rockwool is sterile and water-retaining. Being inorganic means it won't harbor harmful fungi or pathogens that could jeopardize your plants. Instead, the Rockwool retains water efficiently, ensuring that your plants receive the hydration and nutrients they need for healthy growth. For those new to hydroponics, the VIVOSUN Rockwool cubes are incredibly user-friendly. The cubes are light and fluffy, making them easy to cut to any desired size. Each cube comes with a pre-formed hole that allows you to easily insert seeds or cuttings. Once the roots develop, you can transfer them to your preferred growing medium without hassle. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned grower, these cubes are versatile and suited for various applications. They're perfect for hydroponics, plant propagation, cloning, and seed starting. The simplicity and efficiency of these Rockwool plugs make them a great alternative to traditional soil, appealing to all types of growers. In conclusion, the VIVOSUN 1.6-inch Rockwool cubes stand out as the best option for anyone looking to excel in hydroponic growing. Their excellent permeability, sterile composition, and ease of use make them a fantastic choice for anyone interested in propagating plants. So, if you're ready to take your gardening game to the next level, consider trying out these Rockwool cubes from VIVOSUN. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a review. Happy gardening, and see you next time.